Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to learn about that how to write our first script in our of our Selenium WebDriver and perform our test case. So let's open the Eclipse IDE which we have downloaded in the downloaded in the previous video and launch the Eclipse IDE workspace. It takes a little bit of time in every computer, and let us wait for it to open. Yeah, it opened. So wait, my previous project has been opened. I am cancelling all these things. Okay, so I've closed every file here, and I'm going to file and then new. Okay, and then I'm going to a Java project. In this Java project I am giving the project name as first project. Okay, do not click here. Okay, create module info Java, do not click here. First project 1. Okay, I'm giving the name first project 1. Okay, so I'm doing next, keep all the options as it is, and then finish. So yeah, our first project has been created. Let's open it. It's giving a JRE system library. Okay, since we have created Java project, all the Java library, okay, the Java library has come into this project. JRE system library has come into just this project. Okay, and we have JRE system library has come into this project. Okay, we have downloaded the JDK 18, so it is Java SE 18. Okay, so this is the Java system library. You can open it and see that here all the classes and modules of the Java has been come. Now here we have src. Okay, this is a folder which is designated as src, which means that source, all the source of your code will be here. All the source code will be here. Okay, so you go here over the this folder, right click over here, and then go to, you just create a package here. Okay, because directly we cannot create a class. Okay, you can create the package as first tudes. Okay, first tudes. Okay, fine, finish. And then in this package you go here new, and then you create a class. Okay, so you give a name to this class as first testing. Okay, first testing, and click here. Public static void main should be included here. Okay, first testing. Okay, fine, finish it. See, our first testing class has been created, in which we will write our test case. Okay, but do we have done anything related to Selenium here? No. I have already told you in that particular pic which I had. Wait, let me open it. Selenium architecture pic. Yeah, I have told you that you need a client library of Selenium and you need a browser driver. Have we downloaded? No. Do we have them? No. So what we have to do? We have to download it. From where will we download it? From the Selenium website. So let's go and type Selenium here. Go to the Selenium, go to the downloads, and you just download the Selenium server grid. Okay, because I told you that every language, every client library will come inside this particular download. Okay, latest stable version. I clicked and it started downloading. Okay, so just wait for the download. It will take some time, and after it has been downloaded, I will show you that where it has gone. Okay, so guys, the Selenium server jar has been downloaded, and let us check our downloads. Okay, see, the Selenium server 4.4.0 has been downloaded. Okay, so now let me go to the Eclipse, and then in our project we need to go to the build path. Okay, I am right clicking over this project and going to the build path, and then configure build path, and then libraries, and then class path, add external jars, downloads, and then Selenium server standalone, whatever we have downloaded, we have to open it, and then apply and close. See, the reference libraries has come. Now we have all the libraries and all the languages which the Selenium can use for writing the test cases, test script, and all the script needed for the test to be performed over the browser. Okay, so these are the reference libraries. If you want to open it, you can see it. See, so there's a whole lot of libraries, okay, since we have downloaded for each and every language. Okay, so close it, sorry, close it, reference libraries, close it. Yeah, so the first line we should write, I have already told you that WebDriver is an interface and Chrome driver is a class. Okay, so since we have downloaded the reference libraries, all the client libraries have been configured into our this first project. Okay, so now what we will do is that we will start typing our script. How to type our script? How to type? See, I have told you that Chrome driver is a class. So whatever class we have, we need to create the object of that class. Okay, so Chrome driver equal to new Chrome. Okay, so I have typed in this here. Okay, Chrome driver is the class, driver is the variable name, and by the new keyword we create the object, and Chrome driver is again the constructor. So this is how we create the object. Why it is giving error? See, as soon as I hovered my mouse over this, it is telling me to import Chrome driver from org.openqa.selenium.chrome. So how this library is being suggested to us? How is it suggesting me? It is suggesting me because we have some referenced libraries, right? We have some referenced libraries. And what are those reference libraries? These are the reference libraries which we have imported right now, the client libraries which we have downloaded from the Selenium official website. If you click over here and try to search whatever package it is suggesting, because in this org.openqa.selenium.chrome we have the Chrome driver class, and the Chrome driver class has the methods that we will use to perform our test. Okay, so we were here and org.openqa, see, org.openqa.selenium.chrome, this is a package, and we have every service related to Chrome driver. Okay, so it has the Chrome driver.class. Okay, so close it, and then, oh my god, this is a whole lot of, okay, so let's import the package which it is suggesting. I have imported, and now the error has gone. Now it has some methods. Okay, the Chrome driver is a class and it has some methods. What methods? Okay, let me tell you. I am typing Selenium here, I am opening, and then I am going to the downloads. I'm going to the Java docs, API docs, okay, because we are using Java for Java as a client library. And then I'm going to the package org.openqa.selenium, and then I'm going to the WebDriver interface. Where is it? Yeah. So WebDriver interface has these methods: close, find elements, find element, okay, get current URL, get page source, get title, get window handle, get window handles, manage, navigate, quit, switch to. Okay, so we have these methods. All these methods have been implemented by different browser drivers that are the classes that implements the WebDriver interface. You can see here Chrome driver, Edge driver, Firefox driver, Opera driver, Safari driver. Okay, we all have these browser drivers implementing the WebDriver interface, and all these methods in the interface WebDriver will be implemented by the Chrome driver in its own way, Safari driver in its own way, Opera driver in its own way. Okay, so that interface have methods, but they are abstract methods, right? They do not have a body, and the classes which implements that interface has to provide a body to the method. I hope you know this if you have studied Java. Okay, if you have not studied, keep calm, I'll tell you. in the Java playlist, okay? Or you can watch my Java playlist first and then switch over to the Selenium WebDriver series. So all these methods are present in the Chrome driver class, okay? So we will start with the get method, and let's move here. Okay, so this driver instance, this driver variable, okay, contains all the methods that have been, you know, implemented by the Chrome driver class. So let's driver dot, you know, as soon as you write driver dot, you'll get all the methods here. See, all the methods in the Chrome driver class, okay? There are many methods, right? So we'll start with driver dot get, okay, string URL, right? Double click over here and then remove it, and then provide a double quote and type https://www.google.com, okay? So save it, and what do you think, will this script run or not? So I don't think that this script will run, because till now we have downloaded the client library, but we have not downloaded the browser driver. So let us try to run it. See, an exception occurred. The path to the driver executable, must be set by the webdriver.chrome.driver. okay, what we are doing here, we are trying to, let me open that pick and name architecture pick. Yeah, I told you that we need to download the client library and configure it into our Eclipse IDE, and I told you that we need to download the browser drivers and configure it into our, where? Again, you know, we need to provide the path to the browser drivers. That script should know that which browser driver it has to hit. If you will not provide the browser driver and you will not download the browser driver, where will it hit? Okay, so these browsers, the original browsers, have created browser drivers, okay, executable file that you will download and you will hit them via your script, and these browser driver will call the original browsers and your test will be executed. So let us go and download the browser drivers. Okay, type here Selenium. I'll start from the beginning, okay, so that no one gets confused that which page I have opened. Go to the downloads and then scroll down and click over the browser, and then we'll start with the Chrome. Okay, go to documentation, go to downloads, and then according to the version of the Chrome you're using, you can download. Okay, so to know the version, let me remove this thing from here. Okay, to know the version, you need to click with this hamburger sign, and then you need to go to help and then about Google Chrome, and you can see I'm using version 104.0.5112.102. okay, official build 64-bit. okay, so I need to download see this one 104. so click over here and download it. It has started to download, and let's see. So it has downloaded, and once we will get onto our downloads folder, see Chrome driver, we should extract all. Since this is a zip file, we should extract all. So Chrome driver, yeah, it has been extracted. Chrome driver. Okay, this is an executable file which whose path we have to provide it into our script. Okay, so before providing the path, let us go to the C program files and then create a new folder here. Continue. New folder, browser drivers. Okay, and then this browser drivers folder created in the C file, I will go into downloads, and then I'll copy this copy, and then I'll go to this PC, and then I'll go to Windows C, program files, and then browser drivers, and I'll paste it. Okay, so continue. My Chrome driver has been pasted here. Okay, so now we can provide the path of our browser drivers into our script. See, we need to write here system dot, okay, see here it is telling that we need to set the system property. Okay, so system dot set property we have to use. Okay, so this takes a key value pair. Okay, so the first key we have to type in here is WebDriver dot chrome dot c WebDriver.chrome.driver system property we have to set. Okay, must be set by the WebDriver. So first key we have provided, and then the secondly we need to provide the basically the path of that particular browser driver. So wait for a while, yeah, and then we need to go to our PC. I do every step from the beginning so that you can understand very clearly. Okay, otherwise I could have jumped into the location. So I have opened my PC and I have opened my Windows C, and then program files, and then browser drivers. Okay, so let's copy this path, Control C. I'm pressing over here, and then I'm opening my script and then pasting that location over here. But we need to provide one more thing, that is Chrome driver.exe. okay, because this is the name of the file. See, Chrome driver, C is in small and driver is in small. You need to follow this convention, right? Chrome driver.exe. This is an executable file, I hope so. Let's go to the property, and yeah, this is an exe file, right? So we have to provide Chrome driver.exe. So okay, so I think that now the script should run. Will it launch google.com or not? Let's see. So run the script again, and see, it launched the google.com successfully. So this is how we write the first script in Selenium. This is how we configure the libraries by downloading the Selenium grid, and this is how we provide the location of the browser drivers. Okay, so this I have done for the Chrome driver. You can go here over the, wait, I need to open it again for you people. Selenium, oh god, it has opened another link. Okay, Selenium, then I went to the official website, and then I went to the downloads, and then you can go here, and over the browser you can download various browser drivers according to the browser you want to automate. Okay, Firefox you want to automate, you can go into documentation and download the Firefox browser driver. Okay, Gecko driver is the implemented and supported browser driver, right? So Gecko driver you need to download. Okay, they call it Gecko driver, not Firefox driver, right? So I'll tell you about downloading this Firefox and all that, and automating every browser I will tell you. Okay, so this is all for this video, and this is how we'll run our first script of the Selenium WebDriver. And I hope that this is clear to you, this is crystal clear to you, and if any problem you're facing, please do comment down and let me help you, because it will be a lot pleasure for me for helping my students. So keep learning guys, and meet you in the next video. Thank you.